So let's start with the course. First course is JavaScript algorithms and data structure. So this is via free code camp accessories, and you will get learn or you will familiar with in this course while HTML and CSS control the content and the styling of the page. JavaScript is used to make it interactive. In the JavaScript algorithm and data structure certification, you will learn the fundamental of the JavaScript, including variable, arrays, objects, loops, and functions. Once you have learned all the fundamentals, you will apply to know that how to create algorithm with the string manipulation and factorization of the number, or even calculate the orbit of the International Space Station. So this is alone with you will learn all these things, which includes OOPS, object-oriented programming, and functional programming. Major topics: basic JavaScript, ES6, regular expansions, debugging, basic data structure, basic algorithm scripting, oriented programming, functional programming, intermediate algorithm scripting, JavaScript algorithm, and data structure projects. So this was about the major topics you will get covered in this course, and this is totally free certificate in English. This includes of 300 of worth it course material, which is on demand, and this is the best part of this course. Okay, and this will gonna be a certificate of yours. And now talk about syllabus. Comment your JavaScript code, declare JavaScript variables. There's a lot of things like multiply two numbers with JavaScript, increment a number with JavaScript, multiply two decimal and with JavaScript, find a reminder with JavaScript, find a length of a string manipulation with JavaScript, manipulate the array with push, pop, shift, and shift shopping list. You can create a shopping list with the help of JavaScript. Global versus local scope of functions, comparison greater than equal to operators. All the operators, think logical operators will be also covered in this certificate course. Golf code, okay, and the counting of cards, adding the numbers, nesting for loops, iterate with the JavaScript, do while loops, replace loops with recursion. Recursion is an important one. That is what I totally believe, because of I have good in recursion with these kind of courses. I initially and profile lookup, use as a present function, prevent object mutation, and all these a lot of things you will learn in this course. So remove items by splice and बहुत कुछ आप सीखेंगे इस कोर्स के अंदर. And this was the first course, and let's move to the second course. So the second course of ours is front end development libraries. So whatever the front end developers needed to become a professional will get in this course. Definitely he will learn everything. Okay, now that you're familiar with CSS and JavaScript, level up to skill by some most popular front-end libraries in the industries. In the front-end development library certification, you will learn how to style the site quietly with Bootstrap. You will also learn how add logics to your CSS style and extend it with them Sass. Later, you will build a shopping cart and another application to learn how to create powerful single page application. SPA, single page application, is one of the best. Or so let's consider a story to understand the single page application. Like single page application take a very less time to operate, and right now we have that much kind of a data speed that we can optimize to every of the site. But still we just move towards those kind of site which are take less time to loading. Okay, loading the pages or move to the one page to another page. These kind of site are most important one, or this is good that you will learn in this course. Okay, and you will also learn React and Redux. React and Redux is also important. React is booming right now in the market. Nextly, major topics. So major topics are Bootstrap, Java Query, SAS, Redux, React and Redux, front-end development library project. Okay, these are the thing, and the free certificate will also you will get in this course. English will be the language of this course, and certificate will be available. And this is also a 300 hour worth of material, or this is on demand course. That's it. And let's move to the syllabus. So as that of the previous one, this syllabus is more lengthy than that, and you will learning a lot of things with the bootstrap, how to handle bootstrap, how to add fonts, buttons, text bar, this kind of like the star buttons, or this kind of bar on the top. Okay, target the HTML series selectors using jQuery. jQuery is also you will learn the importance of the jQuery. There is a lot of this is a lot of applications you will gonna learn in this course with the jQuery. And Nest, CSS, and SAS. SAS is also important. SAS is kind of a CSS you will learn in this course exactly. And use if else and add logic of your styles, for loops, JSX, DOM, document object model. This is you will learn the best part. Okay, in my learning phase, I was also learning the same of the things, but I have to go for the other courses, and that makes me sick of another courses. And I just preferably, if at that time I have these kind of courses, there was more fruitful to me to learn everything. So the map state props, build a 25 plus 5 clock, JavaScript calculator, and all these. So this was about these course, and you have to click on the sign up button here. You will get these kind of interface in front of you. This will verify you are human or not. This is friendly capture. This will automatically handled. Or then if you try to log in with your Google, you can click here, or otherwise you can choose these options to create an, and then create your account. You are good to go. Thank you for watching, and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.